If we ask you to pick the similarity between these two pictures, we are sure it will be an easy answer. Disha Patani, and for those who have an eye for detail, the bralette and sultry saree drape. We have, in fact, seen Disha Patani sporting this style many times now. So much so that it has become her staple fashion. But the only change is what netizens earlier used to find sexy has now suddenly become boring and repetitive for them. Case in point, this all-green look that Disha sported for the Grand Diwali Bash hosted by TV Zarina Ekta Kapoor on November 10. She looked hot as usual in the emerald green satin saree that featured a sleek golden zari border. The pallu was draped in her signature style to give a peek of her washboard abs. The netizens were unimpressed with her choice of clothes for the festive season, and they also pointed out how she is dressed the same way for all occasions. One even pointed out that she needed to fire her stylist. Truth be told here, a bralette, a sexy saree and anything with a thigh-high slit have actually been Disha's favourite for quite some time now. Whether it's a fashion week or an award show, she sticks to her staples for almost all occasions. But then again, who won't if they have a body like that? Disha works out day and night for that hot bod, and if she's flaunting it by wearing her favorite pics, then what's wrong with that? Sexy suits Disha and she's owning it. And look at her, she's as unbothered as any other celeb. Disha's outfit choice at Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani's wedding reception, a green blingy co-ord set with a thigh-high slit, was panned by many. So was her attire at Manish Malhotra's recent Diwali bash. But then she came back with this recent green number. You get that? The bottom line is, she doesn't care what the trolls say, and that's how a woman should be. Confident in her own skin and unapologetic about it. What do you think? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on celeb fashion.